Hi, welcome to the SharePoint Search section of the video course. In this section, we'll be diving into the search capabilities of SharePoint and how you can set up search so your team and organization can find meaningful information quickly and easily. In this video, we'll be giving an overview of search so you have a good understanding of what it is and how it works. This will help you to better manage and use the search capabilities in your environment and give you a foundation for optimizing it for your organization. SharePoint Search allows you to find relevant content throughout your environment. There are many ways to make use of the search features depending on where you are searching from and which SharePoint experience you're using. You can set up search to meet the needs of your organization by configuring your sites and how the content is managed, and by providing tailored search experiences that are meaningful to your users. Depending on the SharePoint experience you're using, certain features of search are available. If you're using publishing sites or classic team sites, you'll see the classic search experience. If you're using the modern team sites or communication sites, you'll get the modern search experience. A couple of key differences between the two experiences are the result sets when searching for content and the ability to customize the search experience. In classic mode, the search results are common among the users who search for content, whereas in the modern experience, search results are personalized to that user, meaning search words may return content that differ from another user based on factors such as how popular or relevant that content is. The classic experience allows you to customize search pages and add search web parts to create a more tailored search experience. By default, the modern experience gives you an enhanced search experience that makes it easy to locate relevant content and navigate around, so you're more limited in what you can customize. Both experiences, however, use the same back-end search engine, since the content lives within your SharePoint environment and should be accessible regardless of the experience being used. Here's a high-level overview of how search works within SharePoint. The key mechanism that makes search work is the search index. First, the content within SharePoint is crawled and it's added to the search index. Then, the search index maps any metadata that's associated with the content to managed properties. These managed properties make it easier to find content throughout your environment. Next, when a user makes a search, that search query is sent to the search index for processing. And then finally, any results that are matched to the user's query are sent to the results page in SharePoint. So why should you use search in your organization? Well, because it's a great capability. Aside from that though, search is an intuitive way for users to locate information that they need. We use search as a natural part of our everyday workflow. It's also security trimmed, which means users only see the content that they have access to see. Content can be searched from anywhere in your environment or be scoped to search in a particular location. Search results are relevant to your environment and won't include external content sources unless you configure it that way. It's also managed by you and your organization, so you have more control over how search is configured and how content is available. So to wrap things up, we went over what SharePoint Search is and what it means for you and your organization and why you might want to use it. We talked about some of the differences between classic and modern search experiences, and also how the search flow works within SharePoint.